Can you solve this Math Olympiad APSMO question which is asked in 2023? Hello guys, and this is Mr.π and we are trying to solve this Olympiad question, and I found its solution quite not understanding and quite difficult because the solution had divided it into a number of small cube units of 1 centimeters, and it is quite difficult to do it in a way. So let's try to solve it in my way. So we have a so what's given in the question. So first of all, pause the video. 3 2 1. Have solved it. Don't worry if you're unable to solve, because I am here to help you with the solution. So what's given in the question? In the question we have a rectangle A B C D which is divided into 4 parts, with each having area 15 cm square, 40 cm square, 32 cm square, and 12 cm square. Now we have to find its perimeter. So to find the perimeter, let's give its side a name. Let's assume this segment to be A, this segment to be B, this segment to be C, and finally the last segment to be D. Now we will use some equations and find the value of A, B, C, and D. Now first let's come upon this triangle. So this triangle has a length of A units and its breadth will be subsequent as this part, so it will be C. So the formula of area of triangle is AC is equal to 15 cm square. Now for the other part of the downward part will be A, the other part will be D, so AD equals to 12 cm square. Now similarly it will be BD equals to 32 cm square, and finally BC is equal to 40 cm square. Now we will try to solve this equation. So let's begin. Now we will be using the hit and trial method. So first look upon this equation, which is AC is equal to 15 cm square. So A might be, so 15, what how can we get 15? We can get 15 as 15 into 1, or 3 into 5, or 5 into 3, and simply 1 into 15. So these are the 4 possible outcomes. We can get 15 cm square. Now let's use the second outcome, that is 3 into 15. So the value of A is 3 and value of C is 5. For the first case we'll assume this. Now AD is equal to 12 cm square. So AD is 12 cm square. The value of A is 3, so the value of D will be 4. Okay, now the value of D, we have used 4 here, use 3 for the 12, so the value of D is 4. Now the value of D is 4, so we have 32 means 4 8, so the value of B will be 8. Okay, 8, yes, 8 4 32. Now the value of C is 5, the value of D is B is 8, it has a 40. So okay, so in the first step of assumption we have calculated the correct answer. So the value of A is 3 cm, the value of B is 8 cm, the value of C is 5 cm, and the value of D is 4 cm. We will sum this all and we will get A plus B plus C plus D, which is the same perimeter. So 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so 20 cm is the same perimeter, but we have to multiply it because as we have double A's and double B, we have to multiply by 22. So 2 into 20 equals to 40 cm. So hence this is our required perimeter of the rectangle. I hope you like the video. Thank you.